what is up everyone, and welcome back to the Animous, and today we are unboxing the new Sky Defender. Let's get right to it. So first and foremost, I would like to thank the Gundam Play Store for making this build happen today. I'm super lucky to get one of these kits on the first run, so let's go ahead and open up the box and see what's inside. So just looking at the package itself and how it was presented, it just looks like a lot of thought went into this kit, to the point on where the box not only had its own shipping box, but it also had its own box start. I really do appreciate the fact that it came in a really secure hard box like this, and it wasn't just transferred into like a random box to then ship. Being as a kit like this, you know, being for the price point and how big it is, you want to make sure that you get your money's worth. And they really thought about everything when they decided to make everything for this kit. I am sure that the reason why they put a bag over it is to try to protect it from the elements, to include water or anything like that, water damage or anything like that during shipment. That is actually greatly appreciated, especially if builders like me that like to take care of their stuff. So that's pretty awesome itself. This is the Einta Industries 2023 Sky Defender. Now, this, I know what you are all saying, what, you know, this kit kind of looks like another one we all know and love, but this is a 1/72 scale, and this box is enormous. If I had to compare it with another box that's just around this size, I would have to compare it with the box for the Perfect Grade Double Riser, and even then I do believe that this one is a lot bigger than that one. So just looking at the box art itself, you got beautiful art on the front, you got beautiful body art on one of the sides, and in the back you not only have art, but you also have a step-by-step, just like the PGU. It also has a picture with all the accessories and everything that it brings, some poses and some action poses over there, and then some details of the inner frame. And even though I can't read any of this, I still think that them having all these pictures and everything, giving it its own perfect grade box, as one might say, is definitely a level up for third-party industries, and this is definitely a great, awesome looking kit. And then on top of the box, you can see that it has a little bit more artwork with the Sky Defender in all its glory. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what it brings inside. So when you open up the box, the first thing you are met with is this amazing looking book-sized manual with the water slides and the metal etching. It seems like we're getting some metal parts in here too. But look at this. I would just want to make sure that you take a look at that. This is a book. It's a really big book. I'm sure that it's filled with art and everything else, but this is crazy. This looks really, really good. Once you get everything else out of the box, it's in a box itself, so it's really double protected there. Once you get this out of the main box, it just seems like a bunch of runners in here, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what they got. So all the runners come divided into steps. So if you can see, like all these runners are metallic and color separated. This one appears to be silver. This one appears to be gold, or a shade of gold. Look at that. And I have to say, the detail in this is amazing. And I am happy to report that this kit is undergated, so we shouldn't see a lot of problems with it. Then you have some more metallic painted pieces. Now these pieces look like a metallic dark navy blue. It looks really good. Got more silver metallic pieces over here. Now I want to make sure that I keep all these parts together because they seem to come together for the sections while you're building the kit. So we'll do that. We'll do just that. We got some more metallic pieces. Seems like this is inner frame pieces, which is good. The amount of detail on this kit is insane. It does have a lot of detail in the inner frame itself. Now I'm not sure you'd be able to tell with the bags on the runners, but I do want to make sure that I keep all the runners inside the bags for now until it's time to build. But the amount of detail and metal etching that's inside these parts is insane, and the quality of paint for these runners is great. All right, so here we got some tools for the wings. I see some screws. And some nuts and bolts over here, so I'm guessing that has to do with part of the kit itself. So let's go ahead and set that to the side. Now we got outer frame pieces. So just for the outer frame pieces, I can definitely tell that that the amount of detail and work that went into this kit, into creating this kit, it's something to really, really look out for when it comes to third-party companies. They've improved so much over the years. The runners have their own names, as Sky Defender right there too, so that's pretty good. The amount of detail, and I don't see I don't see seam lines on the kit. All I see is a lot of detail, a lot of scribing. Really good for those people that like to really get into their panel line. All right, so here we got parts for the base, and I do see a lot of clear parts with a lot of effect parts here. And for those of you that are UV fans, these are UV reactive. All right, so this one right here is a little special because it seems like here we got some armor covers for the hands, and I do see the metallic parts for the joints. This is actually really good that they included these. And I'm so happy that I got it, that we got it with the metal inner frame parts, because with a kit like this, it seems like it's going to be really, really heavy. Now, I want to point out the amount of detail for this base. For someone like me that likes to paint their bases, this is definitely a nice project. Just to keep in mind, it does have like a base here and some stairwells and everything. They really went all out when designing this base for this kit. So we got some more inner frame right here. Color separation on this kit is insane. Now they also added this little gray color. It's like a cool gray, and it looks really, really nice. We got some inner frame, you know, and one thing that I wanted everybody to understand too as well is that they even have an inner frame for the wings for this kit. That's crazy. We got more color separated parts, so I did want to bring this into detail. So these might, I don't know how it might look on camera, but these are actually two different grays. This one's a little bit darker than this one. So this is like a cool gray, and this is more like a warm gray. And I just wanted to point that out because the amount of detail that this kit's gonna have, it's almost as if it's just meant to be built out of the box and then displayed. We have some more purple parts right here. This is more detail, and I'm definitely loving the details on this kit. It does have it does seem like it has a lot of stuff and a lot of hidden gimmicks too. So we finally got some red parts, which is a different color than what we've had before, and it seems like the red is just your standard red. However, the amount of detail and cleanliness of the plastic goes to show how much the third-party companies have improved over the years. So we got some more parts right here. So these are actually painted in that metallic navy blue that I was talking to you about before. We got some more hands, inner frame, some more inner frame. Wow, this kit has a lot of inner frame parts. Now, I want to bring this to your attention. This kit brings 46 runners total. And it's taking a long table. Now, yes, of course, this doesn't compare to that Debon 160 new that I'm building that had 72 runners. But the amount of detail and thought that went into creating this kit and separating all these parts, it does not have a single color correcting sticker. All it has is its sheet of water slides, and that is it. A lot of thought went and processing and R&D went into this kit. And I am so glad that we have this on the channel so we can go ahead and build it for you all. So we will be building it in the next coming weeks, so keep a lookout for that. And that is it for today's videos, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing for the Sky Defender, and stay tuned for this build series. See you guys later.